Want to know how to make a mini rock paper scissors game in Java? So in this video, let's just build a simple rock paper scissors game. So this is a small 22 line code right here. So first we take the player choice as input and then let the computer randomly pick between rock, paper and scissors simply using the random class. With simple if-else conditions, we compare both choices and display the result. This is a great example of logic building and randomization in action. You can expand this with score tracking or multiple rounds as well to make it feel like a full game. It's short, simple, and it makes it feel like a full game. So you can just simply run this code. So you can just simply type in anything. I'll type in rock, and here you can see the convert was paper and I lost. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.